usually it is one's own sort of problem, and due to that, some worry. That really is yours deep inside, very weak. So then these problems overwhelm you. So there's big differences. And I often is telling people, the positive result of compassion, first come to oneself, then to other. That my own experience. You see, we trained practice of compassion, using intelligence. So even you see that when we think, when we remember troublemaker, the emotion, the response from emotional level, much mild than those people who do not train that way. Something happened, some troublemaker face. Immediately, their face becomes red and their heart beating increases like that. And beside that, as I mentioned earlier, better health. And the mind become calm. And with that, we can utilize our intelligence properly. Too much anger, too much fear. You cannot utilize our brain properly. That's, I think, immediate benefit to oneself as a result of practice of compassion. Then, whether benefit to other, it also is dependent on others' own attitude. Again, it is some of the past experience. One occasion in Germany, when I passed through street, I usually always smiling people. There's no need any other introduction. I know a brother, sister, some elder brother, younger brother, or elder brother like that, or elder sister, the younger sister like that. So I always just smiling. So one day, passing through the street, one young lady there, as usual, I smile. The lady, perhaps I think, got some suspicion. Why this stranger in the car smiling towards her? Maybe that was some different sort of motivation. So, my sort of expression of open, warm-heartedness expression, that brought fear, suspicion, rather than because of that, rather than peace of mind or joyful like that. So, it's one example. Practice compassion to practitioner himself or herself immediately got some kind of inner strength, inner calm. Every sort of then your whole life become easier. No longer any uneasiness or nervous. If while I'm talking to you, I'm too much concerned about my own sort of state, name, or my own sort of attitude, something, then that immediately brings some stress, some sort of fear. Don't care what other people say. Talk truthful, honestly, frankly. Then, no reason to fear, no reason to pretend. So that's very helpful, very helpful. Okay. But as a result of practice of compassion, compassion, loving kindness, whether bring some benefit immediately to others, as I mentioned earlier. That question, that depends on others' own attitude. So therefore, now the important is, please don't think practice of compassion or loving kindness is something religious practice. Don't think that. Of course, all religious traditions emphasize this practice. Therefore, they utilize different philosophical views in order to strengthen this practice. But itself, as I mentioned earlier, biological factor, then our common sense use, we can develop that. This is for our own interest. So please think that. So therefore, I usually approach promotion of human compassion, human loving kindness through a secular way, not touching